So I woke up today and I decided I'm going to go to Monaco during the Grand Prix. Yes, you know what? Let's be spontaneous. And I bought the cheapest tickets possible. The cheapest tickets at the most expensive race in the world at one of the most expensive countries for $0. AKA, I bought no tickets to this Grand Prix. But we're going to see how much you can actually do and see for free. Literally, I walked out of the train station, went to like this balcony, and suddenly it's like I saw majority of the race. You got to see the views and everything. So let's see what the Monaco F1 Grand Prix is like on $0 in the cheapest tickets possible, aka free. I was literally here a couple days ago. It was really empty. The street literally had absolutely no one in it, but now it's absolutely packed for these standards. But literally, if this was in New York, this would be triple the crowd. Let's be so real. So let's see how much I can do. Let's see how much I can see and how close to the track I get. Because the cool thing about Monaco is the track is a completely public road, so it shuts down. So I've been able to walk the track already on another day, completely go to the pit lanes, whatever. And so that's incredible, honestly, but I want to see how much access I can get right there. Because literally, I walked there 2 days ago, and I was on the track, and walked around this whole track. So let's see the viewpoints I can get for absolutely $0 here in Monaco, and what you can actually do for nothing, for nobody. I don't even have my mic out, and I cannot describe how loud that is literally in person. Absolutely wild. Like as soon as I got out of the train station, I was hearing it, but like being this close, madness. It really starts in 10 seconds. I just had to take you out. I don't have my mic, don't have anything. You just have to hear all these sounds. It's absolutely incredible. I am so close to the track right now, right about here. And that, you hear that? Those are the cars racing. As you can see, right through there. But you can't see much. Just a little glimpse of like half, like the car, maybe like the lower half. It's absolutely insane. Oh my God. This is literally so cool. There's this whole list online community about how to watch F1 for free in Monaco, and that is one of the top places to just see the little glimpses of the car. That's why there's so many people there, but it's so cool because you're right near the track, right near actually the pits. The pits are right behind there, so it's like really cool to see right there. I'm about to head to the fan zone because I'm curious to see how much I can see from the fan zone. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna see the track, but I just, the atmosphere, let's see it on the screens, let's see it. Because I could be sitting at home watching this TV, but I was like, if I'm gonna watch it, I'll watch it in Monaco. You see how many people are gathered here around in this fan zone just to watch it on the screen? Literally so many. There is literally a grocery convenience store right next to the fan thing, like literally in the fan zone. So literally got this for €6. €6. I could never even imagine getting just a drink alone for $6 in the US at a sporting event. Honestly, this is like amazing. Like I should really do more sporting events in Europe. They make it so much more accessible to do. It's literally watching this for free, eating my like €6 meal. I'll take it. 8 minutes from the end of the line because that's the start of the fantastic job of blocking it all. Like right here is where the race is. Can't see a thing. But it's just wild to hear all like the sounds and stuff. Like there's TVs I could view at. I wanted to move here because I just wanted to hear the sounds of it all. So I literally found this little it's literally a small TV, but the reason I moved here is because you can hear the sound because the race is literally right there. So it's like a perfect like little surround sound. No, it's a tiny TV, but like the sound is what gets me. Because you can't really see all that much. Even in these viewing zones I found, you see little glimpses. But the sound is incredible here. Because versus the fan zone, you're far away and you don't really hear it. But here, the sound is ridiculously good. The quali just finished and the hometown racer got pole position #1. And when that literally happened, it's almost like the whole city was applauding. The amount of applauding and cheers you could hear throughout the streets, literally insane. But literally, like this is So cool, literally. So quali's over, quali's finished. So it's kind of done for now, the whole race thing. But it was crazy to experience. I mean, like, yes, you don't really see much of the race, and the little glimpses I got were very little glimpses, could barely tell they were cars, but like, oh my god, this is cool just to watch on TV. The environment, you hear the cheers, you hear the screams, you literally hear everything, which is like such a fun way to experience it all. Like, oh my god, to be in Monaco out of all places to do this in, absolutely wild and incredible. Let me tell you that. Hear that? That's the yachts literally cheering and everything. Those are the boats that are on the harbor cheering. Still, it's incredible here. Literally watching Charles Leclerc, who is from Monaco, get pole position in Monaco was like truly surreal. You just heard the cheers through the street. Everyone was so thrilled and ecstatic. It was absolutely wild to experience that all in person, which is just incredible in all honesty. I'm so glad, you know, I just decided like, let's fucking be spontaneous. Let's just do it. Let's just go. Let's hop on a train. I'm already in Cannes. Might as well just do it and just come to Monaco. Yeah, I didn't have tickets. Yeah, I didn't have a plan. Yeah, did I really see much of the racing? No, I saw little slivers of cars through the blocked off areas or on top of the hill, and I saw it on the screen, but I heard it around me and just like lived that experience, and that was just so cool. Like, I mean, yeah, if I'm gonna come here again and do this again, like, yeah, obviously I'll get tickets. You absolutely can watch the Monaco Grand Prix for absolutely free, for nothing at all, to just experience and enjoy it all. It's just, it's so different of experience than just watching on the screen at TV. And you know what? All it cost me was a €4 train ride to get here. And so that was literally so worth it. Ah, merci beaucoup, Monaco. You know, we're gonna speak a little bit of language, French language. Yeah, no, merci, Monaco.